Hello students, in this video we are going to discuss about pressure. Pressure. What is pressure? Not only the magnitude of the force but the area upon which it acts also affect the changes it may bring upon an object. The force acting upon an unit area is called pressure. Hence, the pressure exerted by an object depends upon its surface area. If the surface area is small, the amount of pressure applied is large and vice versa. The SI unit of pressure is Pascal. And students, with the help of this figure which is given below, it will be clear to you that pressure is equal to force upon area. And if the surface area will increase, pressure will decrease, and if the pressure will increase, surface area will decrease. Now, some examples related to the formula that pressure is inversely proportional to area. If suppose a needle has a pointed end that has a very small surface area, then a large force is exerted upon the needle with a hammer. The pressure on the needle increases and it easily moves inside the wall. Like that, tools that are used for cutting and piercing always have sharp edges because as a person would apply a force on a tool, its sharp edges would exert more pressure due to less surface area and the object would cut down easily. You know students, camel can easily walk over the sand because it has wide feet which allow them to walk on sand easily. Human beings, on the other hand, cannot as walk easily on sand as their feet have less surface area and therefore our feet sink in the sand. Now, the pressure exerted by liquid. Yes, students, the liquids also exert pressure. The liquid exert pressure on the walls of the container in which they are put in. The pressure that a liquid exerts on the bottom of a container is dependent upon the height of the liquid in the container. The liquid exerts equal pressure on different points on the wall of a container having the same depth. Like liquids, gases also exert pressure. You know that gas exerts pressure on the wall of the container. The molecules of a gas of higher kinetic energy collide with walls applying large force, and as a result, these molecules apply force on the walls of the container, as you can see very clearly in this figure. Now we will discuss atmospheric pressure. A layer of gases is present around the Earth's surface. The air present in the atmosphere exerts a pressure on the Earth, which is called atmospheric pressure. The atmospheric pressures keep on increasing as we move towards the Earth's surface. The amount of atmospheric pressure upon us is quite large. But due to the large surface area of the atmosphere around the Earth, we do not experience any of its effect. You know, however, sometimes at higher altitudes, where the atmospheric pressure is low as compared to that at the Earth's surface, nose bleeding starts. This is so because at that time the blood pressure in our body becomes higher than the atmospheric pressure outside us. So student, this atmospheric pressure of the air inside our body is equal to the atmospheric pressure. There are also fluids present in our body that exerts a pressure inside our body. Hence, our body easily obtain a balance with the atmospheric pressure. Thank you, students.